All right, we are on day number 22 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar. Hope you've been following along as we do each one of these things together, or kits together. It looks like we've got 3 more left. So let's go ahead and go with day number 22 here. All right. Not sure what this one is. It's only a couple of these where I'm like, I'm not exactly sure what this is, but we'll figure this out. Maybe this is the cave? That's got to be what this is. It's got to be the cave. All right, so got these two, same length, so that's good. So just figuring this out here. This one goes on top. Thinking it's this one. And then this. It's like this. And then blue one goes like this. And then this goes like this. And this has this. And then that is going to go like that. Yeah, this has got to be the cave. No doubt. Go ahead and get this on first. Oopsies. Okay, that goes like that, and then this goes up in there like this. And this goes like this. This apparently goes like this. And then we've got the bone that goes right in there like that. And we've got an extra bone. And then there we go. Pretty cool. Awesome. Okay, so we'll go ahead and continue on then, and we are on day number 23 now. We'll do that tomorrow.